Hey, what's up you guys? It's SHIRAAZ and welcome back to my channel. What are we doing today? Let's just get here. What are you doing?
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Sorry guys.
Oh, Jesus. Puerto Ricans.
You know what?
So what are we doing?
Today we're gonna draw Disney characters from memory.
Woo! They will be drinking grape juice and I will have water. And we're ready. We're armed.
So
wait, I need some juice.
I thought you were drinking water.
I am. It's just colored.
You wanna start? First character is gonna be Mulan.
Let's get down to
is
business.
that girl I see?
See, this shows how different we are.
Oh.
You say,
Isn't she like technically a princess?
yeah, not tech. Well, yeah.
She is.
But she's not really a princess. She got a rich dad.
What?
Yeah, she has like a wealthy.
No, but she was poor.
So that was a general.
Huge house, a nobleman dad. It's so hard to draw with this giant marker.
I know. Oh, mine is getting really bad. What the
I mean, what the snap?
Okay.
4,
Oh my god.
All right.
Wait, wait.
Okay.
2,
Oh my god,
1.
wait.
Oh my god, this is horrible. Right, what's next?
Ursula.
Oh, that's a good one. I know she has a big bosom.
Does she?
It's Ursula.
Her head is.
Oh my god, I just realized something. Ursula is the drag queen of
Yeah.
Disney.
You
She
just
really?
realized that?
Is she
Did you
really?
know?
Yeah, she is.
Can you think of anyone who looks more like a drag queen than Ursula? Anyway, Ursula looks like this drag queen. Right here. Right? Same thing. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, we all did good on this one.
What?
Okay, let's do Belle.
I mean, it's
Wait,
relevant.
It's
It's relevant.
It has to be Belle.
It has to be Belle.
I think I've seen it
Definitely has to
once,
be
but you know
Belle.
about it, right? You know who's playing Belle this year?
Yeah, it's
That's taken too long for you to know that.
No, because I was thinking Hermione.
Talking about culture.
I'm from Dallas, Texas.
Oh, and you're from New York, right?
From New York.
New York got me
Wow.
that coffee.
I don't drink coffee, I drink water.
Water. Love Texan accent. I love the South, corn and the cob. It's so beautiful.
Oh lord.
Oh Lord.
Okay.
Bam! What the hell is that? Have you ever seen The Ring? Do you know how the corpses look? That's what it looks like.
Kevin,
Oh!
what does yours even look like? Oh yeah, that's actually
this
good.
looks actually
She kind of looks like Cinderella though.
She kind of does.
Yeah, right? It's definitely Cinderella's dress. I think you win like everything.
2, 1.
I
can be like Tom Brady.
I
Win
was
at the
not
last
keeping
moment.
track.
So, what's next?
Is that a sports joke?
What?
That's it.
Did you not watch the Super Bowl?
No. I hate sports. I was in marching band for 6 years and I still don't know the rules of football.
I still don't understand the rules of football. I was really just watching Super Bowl for Lady Gaga.
Yeah, well.
Which she killed it. She killed it. It was beautiful. Obviously, I let you on because you're on my channel and you're guests.
Ah.
Obviously, it's not because I have really bad drawing skills.
Okay.
It's really just because I'm nice.
Okay, not because we're actually bad.
High five to the winners! Woo!
Oh, that was terrible. Let's
Yeah, it really
read
was.
it.
High five!
This was Casey, and this was Kevin, and you were on SHIRAAZ. If you liked it, please subscribe. I will link their Instagram and social media in the subscription box below. You're a great singer, aren't you? And you're not by yourself. Wait, I'm kidding. I'm so kidding. They're phenomenal singers. They're really good. And oh my god, you have original songs coming on, right?
Yeah, thank you for mentioning.
I have heard snippets and they're really good. I'm like, what? I am so surprised. I mean, impressed. And I filmed a video on her channel, so you should check it out as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you liked and what you want to see next. Otherwise, bye!